look at the dollar. All right, so dollar finally putting in a bit of a bottom. Finally completed my fifth wave. It came into my zone. This was my buy zone. Look at how we tagged my buy zone. Boom, boom, buy the dollar. That was your area. Look at that reversal. That's all you had. You had a day. How long did they give you? Let me see. Let's go to a daily. They gave you, wow, they were generous. They gave you more than 24 hours to get into the US dollar. Here's the RSI. See how we're peaking out? If we can close up here and keep pushing, I don't think we will. I think we'll stop and we'll pull back and we'll do this, something like that. Oops. Something like that, I think will happen. Delete this, delete that. So kind of cool that we came into this area on the US dollar. How do you guys think that we'll instantly reverse on the US dollar, or do you think we're going to kind of languish down here for a while, for a couple days, before we would finally reverse, or do you think it could continue lower? What is the feedback in the audience out there? You can see we basically completed my fifth wave right here. Very close, like that. The other this was a general target, as I said, like the one level completion was actually up here, so we hit that one. If I use this measurement rather than the other measurement, and we came right to the 1.382, it actually perfectly lined up. Okay, so Cole says down move looks like it's getting tired. Meg says continue lower. She doesn't see market structure yet. I think, Meg, I think that makes sense. You know, I do think that we are starting to break out, but like I said, I think we're going to pause here around this zone and we're going to pull back a bit, and then you're going to get your W just like that. W, breakout, move higher. On that pullback, that's when you consider going long. I think RSI is telegraphing that as well here on the daily chart, basically saying I'm ready to break out. So, you know, when the US dollar goes higher, what's going to happen to everything else? Everything else is going to drop, right? So that is your like guaranteed win-win short scenario. Also guaranteed to have some shenanigans, but I think if you didn't catch the shorts the last 2-3 days, that's going to be your second chance. And that's what I'm looking for, to reload on the shorts I already have. I took tons of profits, as I said. I will reload when we get that move back. I'm definitely not longing anything here. I think going long is crazy in this environment. I just can't force myself to do it. All right, so that's DXY, and it's important to pay attention to that. It affects everything. We can look at gold. I think a lot of people have been paying attention to gold. Gold's been quite bullish. However, it is reversing here. And I talked about wanting and looking for a reversal in gold multiple times. And you can see how it's been topping out here. And I'm looking for that reversal. I'm looking for gold to totally reverse, come all the way back down here, you know, retest and create that kind of W and then really launch higher. That's what I want to see in gold. I want to get long gold. I missed it on the original breakout. It just happened too fast. Like 1, 2, 3 days, boom, you missed most of the move. Over 100 points, boom, done. So this is, I feel like a chance to potentially get back into gold. But no breakdown yet. We need a breakdown of this RSI. If the US dollar can break out, then gold should reverse. It might not happen. I might not get, this is the one Christmas present that I really want. That I might not get. It's not guaranteed right now. There's no shorts on gold yet. Still sitting above with RSI. I would be careful. Yeah, big reversal today, but still nothing to get too excited about. Let's wait. Let's see how it looks next week. I think we've got some time here.